Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6, Chapter 5, Fractions and Decimals, Addition and Subtraction of Fractions. See, like fractions, addition and subtraction. See the first example, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here denominators are equal, so we shall write one time and take the numerators. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 5. Denominator is 7. So 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 answer is 5 by 7. See now second one. 23 by 35 minus 9 by 35. Here denominators are equal. So write down here 35. Now numerators we shall subtract. 23 minus 9. We get answer 14 by 35. See third one, 5 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 4 3 by 7. Here they have given mixed fractions also. We must convert first mixed fractions to improper fraction. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Write down 37 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. That is 31. 31 by 7. Now all the three fractions were like fractions. Here all denominators were same. So write down one time only, that is 7. Now take the numerator values 37 plus 1 minus 31. That equals to 37 plus 1, 38 minus 31 by 7. 38 minus 31 is 7 by denominator 7. 7 table 7 one time. So the answer is 1. Let us see how to solve unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means the given fractions will be having different denominators. See the example 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. First we have to do LCM of denominators 3, 4. 3 for LCM is 12. Why? Because here there are no common multiples in both of them. So we shall multiply 3 4s are 12. Now let us see the sum now. Given question 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Our LCM is 12. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 2 into 4 minus 3 into 1. That equals to 2 4s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 by denominator 12. See the numerator now 8 minus 3 is 5 by denominator 12. So the answer is 5 by 12. So whenever unlike fractions were given, we have to do LCM and then after we have to solve the sum. See now example 4, simplify 1 4 by 5 plus 2 5 by 6. First we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9 by 5 plus 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. Now we have to find LCM of denominators 5, 6. 5 and 6 do not have any common multiples. Let us multiply them. 5 6 are 30. So write down 9 by 5 plus 17 by 6, that equals to LCM is 30. Now we shall do cross multiply. 9 into 6 plus 17 into 5. That equals to 9 6 are 54 plus 17 5s are 85 by 30. That equals to 80 plus 50 130. 4 plus 5 9. So 54 plus 85 is 139 divided by 30. So 139 by 30 is the answer. Now this fraction can be further divided. We shall do division with 30. 34s are 120. If we subtract 9 minus 0, 9. 13 minus 12, 1. So the answer is 4, 19 by 30. Therefore, 1 4 by 5 plus 2 5 by 6. Answer is 4 19 by 30. See question number 2. 5 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. First we have to convert these mixed fractions to improper. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4 minus 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. Now we have to find LCM of denominators 4, 6. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 3. 3 table, 3 1s are 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM for 4, 6 is 12. Therefore, 21 by 4 minus 17 by 6 equals to, let us write the LCM as 12. Now write down here 21 into 4 table, 12 is 3 times, so multiply by 3. Minus, write down the next numerator 17 into 6 table, 12 is 2 times, so multiply by 2. That equals to 21 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 21 3s are 63 minus 17 2s are 34 by 12. Now we have to do subtraction. If we borrow from 6, 3 becomes 13, 6 becomes 5. 13 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 29 by 12. Now we can simplify this further by dividing. 12 table 29 we shall divide. 12 2s are 24. 29 minus 24 we get a remainder 5. So the answer is 2 5 by 12. Therefore 5 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6 answer is 2 5 by 12. See example 5. Satish bought 1 2 by 5 meters of ribbon and Padma bought 2 3 by 4 meters of ribbon. What was the total length of the ribbon they bought? Let us see the solution now. Total length of the ribbon Satish and Padma bought, that equals to 1 2 by 5 plus 2 3 by 4. We had to add these two mixed fractions. We have to convert first these mixed fractions to improper. Let us see now. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 5 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. Now we have to find LCM of denominators 5, 4. 5 and 4 LCM is 5 4s are 20. Now let us write LCM 20. Now cross multiply 7 into 4, 11 into 5. That equals to 7 4s are 28, 11 5s are 55 by 20. That equals to 28 plus 55, answer is 83, 83 by 20. Still this can be further simplified by doing the division with 20. 24s are 80. 83 minus 80, remainder is 3. So the answer is 4 3 by 20. Therefore, the length of the ribbon Satish and Padma bought is 4 3 by 20 meters. See now example 6. What should be added to 2 4 by 5 to get 5 2 by 3? Let us see the solution now. Here in this question they ask us to find the number that must be added to 2 4 by 5 to get the answer 5 2 by 3. That means we have to subtract 2 4 by 5 from 5 2 by 3. That implies 5 2 by 3 minus 2 4 by 5. Now we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, that is 17 by 3 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. We have to find LCM of 3, 5. That is 3 5s are 15. That equals to LCM of denominators 3, 5. We got 15. So write down the LCM as 15 here. Now cross multiply 17 into 5 minus 3 into 14. That equals to 17 5s are 85 minus 3 14s are 42 by 15. That equals to 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 4, 4. So 43 by 15 is the answer. Still this can be further simplified by doing the division with 15. 15 2s are 30. If we subtract 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is 2 13 by 15. Therefore, 2 13 by 15 must be added to 2 4 by 5 to get the answer 5 2 by 3. Today we have seen chapter 5 fractions and decimals, addition and subtraction of fractions with example sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.